engineer, agricultural technician, architect, ballerina, sometimes motivational speaker, and now a dermatologist, Matthew Lane. Aye, when you can do all things under the umbrella of South Africa. Yeah, I'm sure you were even a speaker at G20 Summit. Matthew, you have now come with a marking pen and a skincare line, both together in the crooked places. But you wonder our money. Yo, iCapitec isazovelelwa. iCapitec isazovelelwa. Shubadu do do do. FK shubadu do do do. FK shubadu do do do. Matthew is a scammer man. Ngiyanamukela konqubo yami bomtaba kadade, bomtaba kagogo, bomtaba ka-aunty, bomtaba ka-CC. I am Sims, and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. Don't forget that I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Mtsware Kamogala, I've got you covered. Didi, ya yenina. Matthew, the youngest matriculant in the world, who became the youngest doctor in his mind, world renowned in Khamashashan. No, it has to be Khamashashan. Or even Khamashashan, they don't want to claim you, Matthew. World renowned in Unu. Yeah, no, because world renowned people are in Kunu. World renowned in Unu. Matthew is back with a new scheme that Todd set up to come to us with the PS. He has now released a skin care line, which has been tried and tested by thyself. Please watch this, then we talk.
Hey guys, okay, so a lot of you guys say that I've always had good skin, that my skin has always been this good, but it's actually not true. And I'm going to show you my before pictures before I started using Lani's skincare. So this is how my skin looks like right now, no filter, and this is how my skin used to look like. This is how my skin used to look like. Ugh, I don't want to be emotional. Yeah, so you guys can see I really had bad dark spots, hyperpigmentation. Guys, it was bad. It was bad, bad, bad. Mara, you know what? Lani skincare, guys.
Is it me, or does Matthew think we all come from the Lion Park there in Hartepies? Is this not a marking pen? No, is this not a marking pen or ikoki? Okay, Matthew ufuna ukuthini ngathi? Are we that blind, or are we that desperate for skin products that we don't see that someone has used a marking pen and then they say before and after? Ngizokushaya Matthew. Ngizokushaya ne-dermatologist yakho, ngikushaya nabangani bakho, ngikushaya nge-South African yini le check ama-products SAPS. Ngizokushaya. Matthew, could you not even try? Like, as in your fooling of us, at least try and change your top. We can all see all of this happened in 1 hour of each other. Matthew, can you please come up with a new scheme? Matthew, why? Matthew, you are a self-proclaimed liar. You are a liar and a lawyer, so you are a lawyer. You couldn't come up with better lies. No, please, Mocha Love has a space for you and a time slot for you right between Utatako and Riatotela. Right there in the middle, it's you. Are you looking for new ways to make money? Worry not. Do you know that you can also be a host on Airbnb without having property or furniture? All you have to do is talk to Ugoog's Holdings, because they have got you covered. They will be teaching you the ins and outs of how to host on Airbnb. Worry not about double forex. Worry not about trying to find a remote job. You can just find ways to make passive income without doing too much. Yes, it's Cyril's economy. Yes, you need a money. Yes, we've come up with a new way to help you. Yeah? Don't say that we don't like you. I will leave all the information in the description box down below. No, like you understand. Now let us talk about Naledi. Naked by Nay business owner. How many times have you guys ordered products online, ordered hair online, whatever you bought online, and it never made it to your doorstep? More often than not. Because why? They think they can get away with it because everything is done emoyeni online. But oh no, when it involves our management, we need to stand up. Mama Kwai Kwai Wama Kitting Hill. So one of our management went to Naked by Nay to buy products because she has very amazing products, especially like feminine hygiene, feminine care products from womb cleansing, in Nan. Those are good products. And I also saw that video on Sitati's channel, and Sitati reviewed the products, right? Fine, this has nothing to do with Sitati. Please don't take me wrong. Sitati didn't do anything, ne? I'm just saying a lot of people saw the review on Sitati's channel and they got more interested, right? Sharp. What do? They order. And then what happens? Products, tololo, hey, besila, asfigang, kanjan. So our management starts texting, hi, can I at least get the tracking number? I sent too many products. Don't worry, your product is coming. A few days later, hi, half an hour. Hey, the products. It'll go, it'll stay, it'll up, it'll down. It is not coming. How far now? Hey, can I give you a refund? Because you're rushing me. Okay, please give me my refund. Refund. Okay, I will refund you tomorrow. I know I don't have your money. I know, hey. And then, una lady, it's the attitude. Guys, you cannot own a business, then have attitude. How can I help? Your clients and your dignity must be parallel, not attitude and business. How are you defrauding someone and then you tell them that they must center themselves before they talk to you? They must not come to you with nonsense. They must come to you with straight thoughts. How can I have straight thoughts when my money is being played with and it's not coming back to my Capitec account? You can't even use Capitec as an excuse because they did nothing wrong. It is you. You say you don't have my money to refund me, but I paid, but I don't have the products also. So our management was like, I'm getting on social media. I'm going to all your platforms. So una lady got upset. Guti, management was trying to get a hold of her and then even went to the sister to say, your sister is not giving me my products and I ordered and it's my money, 800 and something. Iningi, economy Cyril. Imali, I'm back. So this girl was like, why did you go, my sister? Why did you? Hey guys, let me tell you something. When money is involved, no one thinks straight, no one thoughts and thinks and thoughts. You can't. Because why? Money is involved. And you can't do something to me and tell me the way I'm reacting is not warranted. You shouldn't have not lit this matches if you knew there was going to be a fire. Keep the matches away by doing what? Giving me my products or giving me my money? No, nina milinjelwe. And then telling someone, there's nothing you can do about it. Oh, wena usuperwoman wena uya actor yini eMarvel, lama movie weMarvel, wena uyi character number 7, the scammer. Uthi there's nothing you can do about it. Hayi na lady, umuhle so. Stop. You either deliver or you refund. Phela nje. So that you don't make it on platforms like this. And I know if you come at me sideways, because why? I'm talking about you. Because you did something wrong to your customer. If you never did anything wrong, you wouldn't be on Sims Rights channel. I understand. Deliver when it's right so that singakhulumi ngawe wrong ku-Sims Rights. Bhatala omunye umntana or umupha ama-products. Futhi akasawafuna ama-products. ufuna imali yakhe, ufuna ukuyokhipha i-lay-by ezeyimpahla eze-Christmas. Bhatalani abanye abantwana, bhatalani abanye abantwana. Scammers, no, this month we are exposing scammers. If anyone has ever scammed you online, come to me, DM me. Sibafuna bonke so. Sifuna imali zama-lay-by, sifuna imali zama-lay-by. Mawuskemiwe, ruqu, tshware ka mogala.